Hey guys, it's Darren over here at Unlimited RV. Today we're looking at the Puma RLQS, which is the, basically rear living with the queen slide. I am a big fan of the Pumas. They're one of the top of the line campers that you get, especially for either just for recreational or full-time living. The Puma itself comes with a lifetime warranty on the roof from the manufacturer. It also they build them right. They're 16 on center, and they don't cheapen up around the windows. I really like the new color scheme that they came up with this brilliant blue color. It is amazing. Nice part about this slide also, it has power jacks, so you don't have to be sitting there cranking them or anything like that. It has the step above step system, so it's easy with the big grab handle. And this floor plan is amazing. Come on in and take a look. What I really like about it, the floor plan here is has the island here, which you can do a lot of meal prepping, stuff like that. It's just a really great thing. You have your Greystone microwave, lots of cabinets, space for silverware, stuff like that. Cabinet door here, pretty decent size oven for what it is. Also, it has a Furrion refrigerator, which will open from both sides, believe it or not. It's kind of a neat, unique thing. Lots of storage, lots of cabinets, deep storage here. They also came out this year with blackout blinds. Normally, we haven't really seen the blackout blinds, so it's definitely pretty wild. You got Thomas Paine furniture. Not only will this turn into a bed, you also have some recliners here that will pop out. It's definitely a nice fit and finish. Again, the Puma has a lifetime warranty on the roof from the manufacturer, so it's very good. They're also 12-inch on center on the floor, so the construction is very good. And they use residential insulation, so that's something to think about. Come on back. We'll look at the rear living here. Before we did that, we'll take a look at the new bathroom. They've got a new fit and finish. They're not going with shower curtains anymore. It's got a nice glass door, foot flush toilet. It's just a really nice fit and fixtures as well. You come into the bedroom. You have a spacious bedroom. Not only is it going to have the slide out here, but also you have nice storage and deep storage here as well. We've got the AC running, so it's a little loud here. I apologize about that. And then also back in here, not only is it a big storage closet, but you could also it's prepped for a washer dryer. So if you happen to have long extended stay trips and or want to go full time, you have a washer dryer hookup as well. And this could use a full stackable unit. So if you're in the market for an RV, don't forget Unlimited RV. Home of the lifetime warranty. We're located over here at 291 and 210 Highway. Very easy to see. Remember, do your best. Let God do the rest. Practice random acts of kindness. Come on over to Unlimited RV and always a big woo doggies.